Man, let me tell you, these cars, they get after it, so much so that they have to be torn down, bare blocks, change of pistons, checking heads, every single round. And the best part, they have just a little over an hour to do it. But that's what you're gonna see here.
Yep. 31 to a 40.